Okay guys, Diko Graphics once again. Before you watch this video, kindly drop a like button on this video and follow me up or subscribe. So now let's quickly go to our project. You just have to come to your project, click on your project over here, then you just click on it, then you bring the design you're working on. So this is the design we are working on. So now let's quickly see what we're going to do. First of all, you have to lock this stuff. You lock them, then let's see what we do. Then you have to bring this one to the top. Look at this three icon over here. Just tap it, then you bring the distance to the top. Now let's see what's going to add. Now we're going to add our images. We have 3 images right here. So before you want to make design, you can add any image you want. This is tutorial design. So let's see the kind of image I want to add. So I'm going to pause this video and add image. But first thing first, you have to import a shape. You have to import a shape. Let's make this design invisible. You have to import a shape. You come to this side, then you know how to import your shape. Then you have to let's make the shape black. So what you are doing, you choose a black color. Then you are going to add a blur radius like 15. You add a blur radius to 15. Okay, radius to 15. Then you mark it. Then you're going to come to your. I'll bring it to the front. Now you're going to come to your texture. Use your texture over here. You're going to come to texture. Use your texture over here. You can see it is written texture. So you're going to add a texture to your design. Now you're going to click on this image. Then you're going to add your image, your texture image, the image you want to use to texture it. Then this is my image. Okay, the gates. Then you click on this, go to texture. As you can see, I've textured that shape with this image. So I'm going to pause the video and do the other image like that. So this is how you do the image. So just quickly do yours like this. Okay guys, now I've gotten the image prepared. Now make sure when you're getting your image, make sure you make them smaller so that they can fit. So now the next thing, that's what we're going to do next. We're just going to work on the host. So now look at that host text at this corner. We're going to work on that, on this host now. So let's quickly work on it. First thing, you're going to add the text. You bring it down. You're going to add the text, then you edit it. You write host, H, spacebar, spacebar, spacebar. Then you're going to choose your font. You just come to font, you choose your font. Then you're going to choose this particular font over here. You're going to choose a font, then you click. Now you're going to add a background. You're going to add the background, enable background. You're going to choose the purple color. You bring this one down to +10. Then you bring this one down to -10. -10. Then you're going to turn your text color to white. Use your text color, you turn it to white instantly. Good. Then the line spacing, you just reduce a little bit to -5. Then you're going to reduce the size of your text. Come to text size, you reduce it. Then you're going to move this design. You can click on this move icon to move it. They place it right here. Okay guys, this is how I've gotten the host. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly like and follow me up so you have to know when I drop an update for the next video on how to make the many text effects. So now just save the design as a project. You have to come on, just click on this place, you click on save, then you click on save. You're going to choose save changes, then boom, your design is saved.